about it. Don't think about joining him. You will be dead. I will cut off your head, your mother's head, your father's head, your sister and brother's head. I will kill your sheep and your cattle. Your land will be gone.